Are you looking for the best treadmills under $1,000? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best treadmills under $1,000 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Horizon Fitness 7.0 Advanced Training Smart Treadmill. The word value is usually a marketing ploy to convince you that what you're getting is worth more than what you're paying. Here's the thing, the Horizon 7.0 is truly a great value, and if you're committed to buying a treadmill, you will not do much better for $1,000. The 60-inch long running deck is comparable to what you'll find in most commercial gyms, long enough for most people to run and sprint without their feet hitting either end of the treadmill. Bluetooth connectivity and the tablet holder let you create a studio experience at home, according to Horizon's website. You can stream apps like Swift, Peloton, Fitscope, Kinemap, and others. The 7.0 also pairs with Apple Watches for more accurate calorie tracking and pacing. The Horizon 7.0 has 4.5 stars with just under 1,000 reviews. Many reviewers laud the treadmill as durable and fairly quiet, compared to a vacuum. Other users say the Horizon is a great alternative to the Peloton Tread, which retails for $2,995 and has a running deck an inch shorter than the 7.0. It also comes with a lifetime warranty for the frame and motor and a 1-year warranty for parts and labor. You can purchase warranty boosts, $120 for 3 years and $150 for 5 years, to cover normal wear and tear, power surges, accidental damages, and more. Folks in the reviews mentioned a few minor cons. The cup holders and shelves were flat and shallow, the fans were weak, and assembly was particularly tricky for one reviewer. Overall, the Horizon 7.0 is a sturdy treadmill that can stand up to most other models for at least half the cost. Number 2. NordicTrack T-Series 6.5S Treadmill plus 30-day iFit membership. For $800, NordicTrack's T-Series 6.5S may be one of the best treadmills on this list. If you don't believe us, mosey on over to the reviews section on Amazon, where the T-Series 6.5S boasts a 4.3-star rating out of 33,600, yes, for real, reviews. The setup is simple enough, with great, clear instructions, but will definitely take some time. Be sure to set aside a few hours for this process. I personally really like the basic design of the screen and display, where everything is clear to operate. This is no frills on the surface, just a solid machine that will get the job done. It's powered by a 3-horsepower motor, which is on the high end for the price, supports users up to 300 pounds. No matter the size, the machine works powerfully and quietly, which is a big deal when it comes to any at-home cardio machine. This NordicTrack, as with all NordicTrack products, comes with a free 30-day trial to iFit, NordicTrack's streaming service. In keeping with the low-tech vibe of the 6.5S, you need a tablet or smartphone to stream your iFit classes. Or if it's located in your living room, streaming on your television is a great option. The treadmill folds up easily for easy storage. The warranty isn't bad, either, for the price, 10-year frame, 2-year parts, and 1-year labor. Like most treadmills on this list, this model lacks the ritzy features that come with shelling out more dough. Some runners may find the 10% incline and 10 miles per hour top speed underwhelming, more power to you. Also, the 55-inch running deck is right on the cusp of what we'd consider short. If you're over 6 feet and run at a fast clip, you may find that you have to adjust your stride. Number 3. WalkingPad Z1 Folding Under Desk Treadmill. Walking pads are hot because they make getting your steps in easy. They're relatively light, space-saving, quiet and last a while since the wear and tear from low-impact walking is minimal. The WalkingPad Z1 gets our nod because it's affordable, around $350, folds up for easy storage, has wheels for mobility, and you can use it on hardwood or carpet. I was especially drawn to this model because of how light it is, because I wanted to be able to move it out from under my standing desk to other places of the home. The rollers on the bottom make it pretty easy to move around, as long as you have some space to maneuver. The problem that most people bring up, and I can confirm to a degree, is walking pads like this are loud. The complaint is they can make it difficult to work at the same time, but I found that with my noise-canceling headphones in or the television turned up a few levels more, I was able to focus no problem. I think it should be expects if you are going to use a treadmill while you walk that you are going to need some degree of noise-canceling headphones. We've got a great list for you here. This particular model supports up to 242 pounds and has a top speed of 4 miles per hour, which is a brisk walk for most people. Simply plug it into the wall, turn it on using the remote, and start walking. A small multifunction display shows you your speed, steps, time, distance, and calories burned. Our editors like using their walking pads while they answer emails or catch some sports on the television. Number 4. XTERRA Fitness TR150 Folding Treadmill. Bare bones but effective, the TR150 by XTERRA is a solid choice for casual runners who want an easy-to-store treadmill they can use a few times a week. The main selling point of this treadmill is that it weighs less than 100 pounds, so you and a partner can easily move it from A to B. Other than that, it's a fairly standard cardio machine, which will serve most folks perfectly well. The slightly larger XTERRA TRX 3500 is on our list for best treadmills to buy, and it shares a lot of features with that model. This treadmill is even lighter and more maneuverable, making it a great pick for anyone trying to save space or change where they are keeping it stored. The running deck is 50 inches long and 16 inches wide, which some folks may find short for running and sprinting. The incline options are limited to just 3 settings, and the TR150 reaches a top speed of 10 miles per hour. With a weight limit of 250 pounds and a 2.25 horsepower motor, this treadmill isn't ideal for larger users or folks who want to run at a high intensity daily. You'll burn the motor out. Our synopsis is this: if you're looking to walk or jog more often, this cheap, lightweight treadmill is a good buy. Serious runners, however, will find the short running deck and weak motor to be underwhelming. If you like the look or the features, bump up to the TRX 3500, which is still under $1,000, or check out some of the other options on this list. Number 5. Horizon Fitness T101 Folding Treadmill. The Horizon T101 is a solid choice for new treadmill owners. It features the same mechanics and tech that Horizon uses in its other treadmills: a shelf to hold your tablet, a USB charging port, and Bluetooth connectivity, and it costs a few $100s less. With over 2,500 reviews and a 4.6-star rating on Horizon's website, the consensus is that this is a good buy. I like it because of its easy-to-use console, which is a feeling shared by many others who have tried this treadmill. Like other models on this list, instead of having a huge screen, it has a secure shelf where you can put your smartphone or iPad. That said, there are a few considerations. The running deck is 5 inches shorter than its brother, the 7.0, so some runners may feel like their stride is being stifled. Taller runners may even risk overstepping the belt if they open up their gait during sprints. The motor has 0.5 less horsepower than the 7.0, so it may not hold up as well to heavier users continually using it at high intensities. If you walk a lot or jog, you shouldn't have any long-term issues with this treadmill. Plan to push it hard daily, and it may be wise to invest in a more powerful treadmill with a stronger motor and more weight capacity. This Horizon treadmill also comes with a lifetime frame and motor warranty and a 1-year parts and labor warranty, with the option to upgrade to 3- and 5-year warranties for parts and labor.